Hi, my name is Nikki, and today my colleague Henrik will demonstrate how to do a parameter setup and a datasheet calibration with a G5 panel mount instrument. In this example, the tank has a capacity of 4,000 kilograms. We are using 3 load cells, and the load cell rated load is 20 kilonewtons, which you enter as 20,000 newtons in the instrument.
Select parameter setup, calibration parameters, select resolution, calibration, datasheet, G factor, 3 load cells, rated load 20 kilonewton, first load cell, second load cell, third load cell, set 0, tare 1800 kilogram.
And that's all needed to calibrate the load cells in the system. Thank you for watching.